Kumusta everyone? Ako si Teacher Tala and welcome back to Tagalog, where Filipino kids living abroad can learn Filipino words, expressions, and culture while having fun. Today we're going to learn 10 Filipino greetings every Filipino kid abroad should know, so you can talk to your parents, grandparents, titos, titas, and Filipino friends. And remember, when I say repeat after me, say the word out loud with me. Ready? Let's start! Before we start, let's do a quick challenge. Do you remember what kumusta means? That's right. Kumusta means how are you? For example, you are visiting your grandma in the Philippines. You will greet her, Kumusta po, Lola? Great job if you remembered. Your lola may answer you, Mabuti naman, apo. Greeting number 2. The next greeting you should know is Magandang umaga. This means good morning. You say this when you wake up and see your parents or grandparents. Repeat after me. Magandang umaga. Good! For example, your mom came to your room to check if you're awake. You will greet her, Magandang umaga, nanay. That means, good morning, mom. Now you try. Magandang umaga, nanay. Your mom may answer you, Magandang umaga din, anak. Next greeting. Now if it's the afternoon, you say, Magandang hapon. Repeat after me. Magandang hapon. Great job! For example, your tito or uncle saw you playing outside in the afternoon. You will greet him, Magandang hapon po, tito. That means, good afternoon, uncle. Now you try. Magandang hapon po, tito. Your uncle may answer you, Magandang hapon din. Greeting number 4. When it's nighttime, Filipinos greet each other by saying, Magandang gabi. Repeat after me. Magandang gabi. Awesome! For example, your lolo came over to your house for family dinner. You will greet him, Magandang gabi po, lolo. That means, good evening, lolo. Now you try. Magandang gabi po, lolo. Your lolo may answer you, Magandang gabi din, apo. Did you notice something in the conversations? We use the word po. In Filipino culture, po shows respect when talking to elders. So instead of saying, Magandang umaga, you can say, Magandang umaga po. This is very important when talking to parents, grandparents, titos, and titas. Next greeting. This is a unique Filipino tradition when children say, Mano po, to their elders. This tradition is very common in the Philippines. For example, when visiting your lola, you take her hand and place it on your forehead to show respect. You say, Mano po, lola? That means, your hand please, grandma. Say it with me. Mano po, lola? Your lola may answer you, God bless you. Next greeting. When leaving or ending a conversation, you say, Paalam. Paalam. Repeat after me. Paalam. Paalam. Well done. For example, you wave goodbye to your friend as you leave school. You say, Paalam. Kita tayo bukas. This means, goodbye. See you tomorrow. Let's try it. Paalam. Your friend might reply with the same word. Paalam. Next greeting is Ingat. This means take care. For example, your mom is leaving for work. You say, Ingat po, nanay. Say it with me. Ingat po, nanay. Very good. Your mom might reply, Salamat, anak. Greeting number 8. Do you remember another polite word we learned before? Salamat po. What does that mean? That's right. It means thank you with respect. For example, you can say this when your tito gives you food. Salamat po, tito. Awesome! Your tito might reply, Walang anuman, which means you're welcome. Greeting number 9. Now here's a fun one. Tara! This means let's go. For example, imagine calling your friends to play outside. Tara, let's go! Say it with me. Tara! So fun! Last greeting. When guests visit your home, you can say, Tuloy po kayo. This means welcome or come in. For example, you are opening the door to welcome visitors in your home. You say, Tuloy po kayo. Let's say it again. Tuloy po kayo. Let's review all the greetings. Repeat after Teacher Tala. Kumusta? Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi. Mano po? Paalam. Ingat. Salamat po. Tara. Tuloy po kayo. You're doing amazing. Now you know some very important Filipino greetings. Try using them with your family at home or when you talk to your relatives. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. If you enjoyed learning today, like this video, comment your favorite Filipino greeting, subscribe to learn more Filipino words and culture, and follow Teacher Tala on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook too. I'll see you in the next Tagalog lesson. Paalam!